Hello everyone and welcome back to the closing summary. So here's how the markets performed today. Indices closed in red as the markets are awaiting the outcome of the US Federal Reserve's policy meeting, which is due later today. Weak global cues and the wait for the outcome of the policy meeting triggered profit booking in domestic indices. Weakness in the metal and auto stocks and index heavyweight Reliance Industries pulled down the indices today from highs. Up close, Nifty 50 ended 0.6% lower, Sensex ended 0.5% lower, and Bank Nifty ended 0.69% lower. Metal stocks were the top losers today, as news reports suggested that the world's largest producer and consumer of metals is planning to release the state reserves for aluminium, copper, and zinc throughout 2021. This particular move is likely to increase the supply and also put pressures on the metal prices, which could possibly hurt the profitability of the metal producers. Major Asian markets ended on a mixed note today for the very same reason that the investors are waiting for the outcome of the policy meeting. Global investors are going to keep a very close watch for any cues on tapering of the $120 billion monthly bond buying program. Adani shares continued to fall for the third straight session, closing somewhere between 5 to 7% lower today, as the confusion remains on the status of the regulatory curbs of the three major FPIs that invested in some of the Adani group of companies. KSA International closed 2.35% higher after the company bagged new orders worth 937 crores. The order wins took the total order book to 2,450 crores during the June quarter. Some of the major companies releasing their March earnings tomorrow are DB Corporation, Natco Pharma, Power Grid, Novartis India, and Navabharat Ventures. We continue to maintain that the buy on dip strategy is best suited until the Nifty 50 is closing above 15,500 levels. Bank Nifty is above 34,800 levels on a closing basis. Resistance for Nifty 50 is placed at 15,860 to 16,000 levels, and for Bank Nifty, resistance is placed at 35,500 to 35,800 levels. Low-risk investors are advised to continue avoiding risky bets, keep distance from the markets for the time being, increase the cash holdings, and wait for a healthier correction to enter. Before we leave, if US Federal Reserve reiterates that the inflation will be transitory and continue its bond buying program, the global markets will cheer tomorrow, and this will also help Nifty 50 move towards 16,000 levels. But any negative comments from them on the bond buying program and reducing the monetary support to the economy will lead to increase in supply, making the bear stronger. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe, like and share our videos. Also follow us for regular updates like these. Also, leave a comment below on your thoughts about the US Federal Reserve's policy meeting outcome. Thank you. Namaste.